Okay, okay. So good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. How are you,
How are
sir?
you, sir? I am fine. I am fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good, brother.
Okay, okay. So we are talking to you first time, and I am talking to you first time. So please introduce about yourself. People don't know about yourself and about myself. So we
Yeah,
should introduce about yourself.
yeah, of course, of course. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. It is my pleasure. And to introduce myself, first, this is me, Gulfraj Ahmad. Yeah, I come from state Jharkhand, and I studied 10 class, and I am working mechanical work. I do work mechanical work in Dubai. Last May I came in India. Yeah, right now I am in India, and I about to go 2 month after I will go back in Dubai. I have work in Dubai. Yeah, it has been 2 years, and it's all about me.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Thank you for giving me time, your valuable time, golden time. So first of all, I will thank you, and I have taken your golden time. So I will introduce about myself. I
Yeah,
am Irfan. I am from Pakistan, province Balochistan district, Nasirabad. Talk about my colleague question. So I have done 10 class. Currently, my education going on. Talk about my learning journey. I am learning this language from YouTube channel. I didn't take admission any academies. So talk about my profession. I do work at grocery shop together my elder brothers, and talk about my YouTube channel. So I have created YouTube channels. I have been 1 month, and recently I am running YouTube channel. So that's of all introduction about myself.
yeah. Thank
So
you, brother. That's great. Where are you from? Are you Pakistan? Yeah.
yes, yes. I from Pakistan, from Gulistan district, Nasirabad.
Yeah. And actually, I'm from India, state,
That's great.
uh, state Jharkhand state. You can
Okay, okay,
consider
that's great. So
Jharkhand.
we also, yes, we also talk Indian people's different states. People come in this application, and they talk with me. I talk many people, Indian people. I talk.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. Uh, what
Okay.
is
So
uh, can I know Pakistani culture, brother?
yes, Pakistani culture is we say shalwar kameez. Pakistani culture is based. Uh, uh, Many people, Muslim people, live in Pakistan. So Pakistan's a beautiful place, beautiful country, beautiful cities, beautiful mountain, and airport. Neighbor countries. Pakistani neighbor countries: China, Iran, India, Afghanistan. So very beautiful country. Everything is available in this our country, Pakistan.
Yeah. Of course. I know. Actually, and I'm talking about in India. India is largest population country, a big country. Yeah, and over there,
Right, right.
different religion you will get, and different language. Many language have in India. Many language. Yeah, and
Yes, yes. Right,
state by state change language you will get. That's why many
right,
language
right.
you will. Yeah. Uh,
Yes,
that, yeah,
right. So,
right.
yes, every caste use mother language. In my countries, lots of language people use. I use Seraiki, my mother language. Seraiki in this my country. Seraiki, Balochi, Punjabi, and Sindhi. Lots of other language people use.
Yeah. Same like this. Same like this. Mumbai Marathi language going on.
Yes.
Punjabi language.
So I
Gujarat.
want to ask you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to. Okay. So I want to ask you: are you Muslim and you are speaking Hindi? You know Hindi, and you are living in India. So, what is your caste and which language you use? Which language your mother language?
My mother language already the Hindi. Yeah. And actually India. That's why everyone knows Hindi. That's why
Yes, yes.
Hindi language is my mother tongue. Yeah. And second
Okay, so
language,
your mother tongue Hindi language.
yeah,
Okay, that.
and my village language. I am living there. Village language. I am from village. Yeah, that's why village language, different
Okay,
language.
that's
Our
great. That's
next
great.
language,
Right.
but Hindi national language. That's why I know everyone knows
Yes.
Hindi language. Yeah, but state
Okay,
by
okay, that's great. So I said,
but
what is
but state by state you will get change language. But Hindi everyone knows. Yeah.
okay, okay, that's great. So, so I said, what is your caste? Are you Muslims and you are living in India? So in this my
My
country,
yeah, yeah, I am my full
in
name.
this my country in Pakistan, lots of caste.
Yeah, my full name Gulfaraj Ahmad Khan. Yeah, I am Pathan. That's why Khan Pathan
Gulzar
same
Ahmad
like
Khan.
Ahmad Khan.
Okay, okay, okay. Are you Pathan?
Yeah,
I said, are you Pathan?
yeah, Pathan. Pathan and Khan same like this over there.
Okay,
Uh,
that's great. That's great. So Pathan is my brother's. Pathan is beautiful people. Pathan very helpful people. So
yeah,
I know Pathan, but a little. Yes, yes.
yeah.
So so you
I
said 1 minute, sir. So you said I have done 10th class, right?
yeah.
So, how long times are you speaking English?
It has been 3 months, brother. I started 3 months before I started, and nowadays I'm learning. Yeah, for interview. This is my purpose for interview. That's why I'm learning. Yeah, few months have gone. Three months, I think. Yeah,
Okay,
and
okay, that's good.
first,
So,
first time I went to Dubai. Over there, gradually I learned many the English, how to speak.
sentence.
Yeah, I learned over there. After that, I am learning nowadays on YouTube. Yeah, and
Okay, okay, that's good.
uh, I uploaded this Skype app after after that I am learning nowadays.
Right, right. So you installed this applications.
Yeah, and nowadays going on gradually getting confidence, and this is my purpose for
Right.
interview
I,
out of country.
right, right. I am also. Right, right. I am also doing it. I am learning in these applications. I didn't talk any other people with any other people. So I am practicing on this application on the video calls, and I don't practice face to face other persons. I have not partners to practice face to face and to make environment. This reasons I am practicing on these applications, and I didn't take admission any academies. Yeah, I use many applications. Uh, After that, I install this applications. I am using in this application, so I am speaking in this application. I have been 1 month. So first of all, in the beginning, I was unable to speak. I think two or three people they connect with me. That time I was unable to, and I didn't respond to that person. So now I am speaking slowly. I am speaking in this application. One day I have one session, two session, one session, two sessions. So I am speaking in this application, and currently I am speaking with you. So you can see me, you can observe. I am speaking to you, but I am making some mistakes. Uh, I can't perfect speak English. So in these applications, lots of people come to learn English to practice English. This is best
Yeah,
application and free of cost, no charge.
yeah. This is a free and best application for everyone. Yeah, I know. That's why
Right.
very, very well application for everyone for learning English. Yeah, that's why I like this one.
Right. So how many applications did you use to learn English?
Brother, first time this one I started. Yeah, this one Skype application. First time I started.
Okay. So how did you find this application? How did you search this application?
Yeah, many time I tried. Yeah, many time on YouTube free application. I am for I was finding. Yeah.
Right.
But then I got this application. One person, I watch a conversation video. Yeah, one conversation video.
Right.
Uh, then one person spoke this application use for everyone very well. Then I loaded and I started, and I am using nowadays. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So, like me, I am also did it, and I watch movies like this movies, motivational movies, lecture movies, and I also search free apps on the YouTube. So many YouTubers tell free apps. So I have installed many applications, but after that that applications. I installed this application and I am using this application and I am practicing on this application. This is application is best application. So in this applications now lots of people have I have and to practice. So this is perfect
Yeah,
application.
perfect application for everyone for practicing. Yeah, everyone. I like that's why I am learning nowadays on this app, and I watch more and more conversation video and vocabulary word conjunction word
Right.
different. Yeah, and I am learning gradually, brother. Yeah.
Right.
Even then, even
Right.
even then, I am weak nowadays. I am not perfect for
No, you are
speaking.
your speaking is your English is perfect more than me. Your English is very perfect.
Thank you, brother. But I think, yeah, I am poor in English. Yeah.
No, my English is poor. Your English is perfect.
But Alhamdulillah,
Uh,
gradually I will learn. Yeah. This is my hope.
Okay, okay. So,
One day I will
so
learn
how
gradually.
weather?
Yeah. Yeah, brother, go
Okay,
ahead.
how weather in your state?
Yeah, weather is going on. It is raining. Yeah.
Okay, it is rainy season.
Yeah, raining season going on. Very
Okay, okay.
good.
So weather is
Very
very
well.
good.
Yeah, yeah, very well. Like, yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. So,
And over there,
so
how is it?
are you staying in garden?
No, our yeah, have big garden, have the big tree, mango tree, and big jackfruit. Yeah, different tree.
Okay.
Our
So, which type of trees in your background?
yeah, mango. Many mango trees background, backside my mango
Mango.
tree. Yeah. And how many is your sibling, brother?
Okay, okay. Now I think network is very poor in my country. So thank you for giving me time, your valuable time, golden your time. So I will talk to you next time. Okay, take care, and I will talk to you next time. Okay, thanks.
Thanks, brother. Have a nice day, brother.